In October, OPPO will unveil the Find X8 series of smartphones. The lineup has 3 phones, namely the Find X8, Find X8 Pro, and Find X8 Pro satellite communication version. The Find X8 has emerged in Geekbench's database, with model number PKB110. The device equipped with the MediaTek upcoming Dimensity 9400 chipset, with 16GB of RAM and Android 15. We now have our first live look at the Find X8. We can see the back will offer a redesigned camera island and a flat frame. We already see some hands-on images. OPPO Find X8. Find X8 series will also have a capture button a la the iPhone 16 models and Sony devices. The device appears to have an alert slider on the left side and a volume rocker and power button on the right edge. The Find X8 will have a flat screen, whereas the displays of the X8 Pro and X8 Ultra will have a micro-curvature design. As can be seen, there's an earpiece placed on the top bezel of the Find X8. It will feature the 2nd Gen BOE X2 display with 2K quad curved. The OPPO Find X8 will feature a 6.4-inch or 6.5-inch OLED panel including 1.5K screens and a 120Hz refresh rate. Now leaks OPPO Find X8 leaked wallpapers. The round camera module on the Find X8 back has 4 camera rings with a Hasselblad logo in the middle. Its rear camera setup is expected to feature a 50-megapixel Sony primary camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto camera. As per a recent report, the Find X8 will have a 5700 mAh battery whereas the X8 Pro will pack a 5800 mAh battery with 50W wireless charging support. Both models will also support 80W wired charging. The series will have other features, such as an IP69 rated. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.